Meerkat in for D7 here with the broad market review for the 19th of November 2015. Well, the markets were just like these two elephants here. They were locking horns today, going back and forth, and end up with a Doji day on Wall Street. Let's take a look here at the numbers. On the SP 500, look at that. Right at the last minute, it did go into negative territory, minus 0.09. DIA at minus 0.04. The Q's down 0.06. Now, the small caps were a little bit more bearish. They were down minus 0.42, with the bank also down 0.23. So that's a little bit more bearish than bullish on this Doji day. VIX did go up just a little bit, plus 0.83, ending at 16.99. So a little bit of fear came back into the market. As far as the silver and gold, boom, a little bit today here. We had plus 0.7% on silver, and on gold we had plus 1.1%. Oil just dropped slightly here. It was not a big mover today, and the dollar just there, dead even there on the dollar, so no big change there, and no trend trade for today. Let's take a look here at the SP 500 Daily chart, see the context of today's day in the overall market. So what happened? We were in this rising wedge, and we came up into this, what I'll call the danger zone, which I'll explain in a few minutes, and then we pulled back. Now we're right back up to there, and we're stalling. Now look at this. We had a big up day, and then it kind of stalled, and then a big up day, and we kind of stalled. So it's kind of a lingering up market. In fact, today's volume, if you look down here, it's a little bit lower. So a lot of indecision in the markets. Have we priced in the possible rate increase here in December already? Who knows? Now, what I said, we are in the danger zone right now. Let's take a look here at the weekly chart. So this is the SPY weekly chart here. Now let's take a look. We've talked about this before, this 210 line. It has gone back and forth of it on the daily chart over 50 times this year. We've been stuck in this range. Plus 3 points here is the maximum there. 213 is where our maximum high for the year. And we've been down when it's down in this lower part here. So let's go all the way back here and look at that. When it's been in this range, It first came into it back here in 2014, and then again in February. So in February we started in this range, and then we had the big dip, and now we're right back up into that range. We cannot seem to go higher in these markets. So we're a little bit in the danger zone now. We're back up here in this range again, and that's why it was so difficult to be a swing trader here back here during the summer months, because we were stuck in this tight range. And now we're back into that range again, and today we ended up with a Doji. Let's go back to the daily chart and look at the Dow Jones Industrial, represented here by the DIA, which is the ETF for the Dow. Again, we ran up, we came down, and it was not quite a Doji day, but pretty much close to it. And then we have the NASDAQ here, clearly a Doji day today, opened and closed just about at the exact same point. Now, as we said, the small cap Russell, represented here by the IWM ETF for small caps, it's down here, and it came up, and yesterday it did close above this 20 moving average, which was nice and bullish, and now today we closed below it here. So it did lose a little bit of its oomph, and look at that, lower volume. So where are we on the markets? Yeah, we're in that danger zone. We're back into that tight range that we've been in almost all year long. So if you are long, have your stops in place, and think twice about taking on additional longs here unless the market turns extremely bullish again. So some of you may not know who I am. I am the Meerkat, and I am a trader here at Grok Trade, as well as an analyst, and I host a Grokstar Trading Room, which is a day trading chat room that we open in the mornings. If you want to know more about that, just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. Right up here it says the Grokstar chat room. And in here from about 9 in the morning till about 12 o'clock Eastern time, we're trading together, a group of us. And if you want to join that room, I'm making audible calls all day long. I average probably about 12 calls each morning. And we search for those stocks that we're going to focus on at opening, and then we're continually calling out different stocks that are moving throughout the day. And so come and join us. If you want to read more about it, you're welcome to do it. Now, if you'd like to do it, 30 days for free. How can you beat that? If you can be in front of the markets in the morning, that's great. You can cancel at any time. First 30 days are on us. Come see what it's like. We've been having some real success lately and love to have you join us. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, I'm going to share with you 2 of my 10 hardcore trading rules. Rule number 6. Emotions while trading will kill your accounts. And rule number 7. Never trade when you're bored or if you're angry with the market. Why? See rule number 6. Trade well.